Any pharmacist is able to participate in MTM. In fact, I think it's something that all pharmacists should be doing. We are trained in school to understand medications, to understand their place in a patient's life.
We pharmacists know MTM as a service that we provide to patients. MTM also has evolved, so it goes beyond just medication management. The patient is centered in the MTM services.
When we enroll patients in this MTM program, we sit down with them and do a comprehensive review of their medications as well as their disease states to try to get a better understanding of the patient. After we do that review, I work with their doctor's offices to make sure that we're optimizing their medications.
And that's something that's great because at this point, it shows us one thing: the patient is engaged, and that's when pharmacists really need to get involved.
MTM in and of itself is really an opportunity for us to help empower patients to take more ownership and to really become more of an integral part and play an active role in their health care.
We sometimes look at pharmacists as people behind the counter dispensing medication. I see it more as a way of improving the profession of pharmacy.
And it's a way to make sure that we are looking at the patient as a whole, working with their providers and giving the patients the best care that they deserve in a way that works for them. So you should consider adding MTM to your practice to be able to take a deeper dive into the patient's care, provide better care to the patients, and potentially get reimbursed for the work that you're already doing anyway.
MTM is a foundational block. It's something that we can build many more services, specialized services around.
Not only does it financially help the pharmacy, it also financially helps the whole healthcare system. You know, it keeps the patients out of the emergency room. It keeps the patient a little more engaged for a better outcome. And I think if the plans, the insurance plans and the PBMs are able to see that, they will also recognize that it saves them money.
I really just think it's important that pharmacists do MTM. It's just flat out. You know, pharmacists are the drug experts. They are the ones that are the best suited on the healthcare team to provide these services. They undergo years of training, they have experience in managed medication therapies, and you know, they're really the best qualified healthcare individuals to help ensure that patients are following and using their medications effectively and correctly.